Welcome everyone, welcome to the channel. So how to enable app protection on any Samsung phone. Today we have Samsung Galaxy A53 in front of me. So how to enable app protection, which is basically a built-in antivirus for your phone. So get into the settings. In the settings you will find device care. So here we have battery, storage, memory and app protection, so which is off, and select that and turn on app protection. You can scan the phone, so you should have this app protection enabled in your Samsung Galaxy phones. As you can see, this is scanning your applications. We are 60% done, and we are 100% done. So no threats detected, 100% your device is secure, and that's how you enable app protection in Samsung Galaxy. So thank you for watching tutorial videos. Please subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more.